sweater on because I opened my balcony door because I made that salmon yesterday and it like, the scent spread through the whole house, and I woke up this morning and I smelled it and I was like, oh my God, this stinks. So I put on a candle, I put on the vent, and I had the balcony open, but now I'm cold, so I'm just wearing the sweater. I wanna go to the gym this morning. However, I haven't eaten anything and I don't wanna eat anything super heavy. I'm in the mood for something like creamy, like almost like, not creamy, but like sweet and light. So like a cereal, but I ran out of cereal, or like a oatmeal, but I don't have any of that. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat before I go to the gym. I'm not one of those people that can go to the gym on an empty stomach. I will get lightheaded and get dizzy. I guess if anything, I'll just eat some Ezekiel bread. I don't know. I just know I wanna go to the gym before I go to the grocery store. Yeah, I'm in the midst of doing that. Also, it's been a week and a half since I haven't had my Instagram. I'm trying to be patient. But it's very frustrating. So I'm working with some people to try to get it back, which has me like glued to my phone and to my computer, which is also annoying. I just can't wait for all of this to be over because I feel like I have like a little cloud over my head and I just want to like be free of that. So God willing, this week I will have my Instagram back and I don't have to continue worrying about this anymore. But yeah, that's the plan for today. That's the plan. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I need to go to the grocery store and get a turkey because me and my friend are going to be celebrating here since we're not leaving to go back home. I'm going back home for my birthday, so I just don't want to go back and forth so many times. We're going to cook together. Well, I'll probably cook here and then meet her, but I want to marinate the turkey early. And then I'm going to make rice with gandules. I'm going to make turkey. I'm going to make potato salad. And I'm going to make cornbread. So I have to go and get all of those things today. I'm wondering what the weather is going to be like today. Let's see. So it is saying, okay, it's going to be 60 degrees. That's not bad. It's going to be 60 degrees today. It's 50 degrees right now, so it's a little chilly. No, yo voy a hacer el pavo, arroz con gandules y ensalada de papa. Es grande, pero yo no sé cómo que esta. No sé qué yo estaba pensando hacer, coger el cuchillo. How about
what are you singing?
Okay. I can picture us spinning in the rain down the living room, and you're telling me you're loving me. Okay, we are slowly getting there. Thanksgiving food is slowly shedding, slowly but surely. It is Monday, top of the week. I just got back from a great workout, with the exception that my Apple Watch is acting up, partially because I signed up for the beta software, which I wish I never did because it's been messing with my watch, but also because I've been charging it on an extra large battery that, you know, is just overpowering the watch. So my watch is all messed up, which is a little annoying because that's where I track my workouts and my heart rate, and so now it's throwing off my rings and stuff like that. But nonetheless, it is Monday and I feel so good. Thanksgiving was great. We ate really good, and then, you know, the weekend, I felt like this weekend was so long. I don't know if it was just me, but this like Black Friday, Thanksgiving weekend was so long. So I'm happy that the week is here because I can get to being productive and all the things. I'm still waiting for my Instagram to come back, which has really been just a ride of frustration, but you know, we're trying to be patient. Wow, this is definitely giving a New York moment with this ambulance. Your girl is about to make a protein shake so that, you know, I can get the gains going with my Vega One Sport Protein Powder. And I also need to record some content. I'm a little behind on some content that I need to submit for my bed that was gifted to me. So I just felt like because I didn't have my Instagram active, it didn't really make sense for me to like continue, but the brand is asking for it and I already said I was gonna submit it, so I need to go ahead and do that. Yeah, I really want to get to exploring this city because I haven't been doing much of that. But I'm telling you, like, and it, you know, it's probably just me like putting myself at a standstill. But this Instagram holdup has really been driving me nuts because everything that I would do, I would share, or I would create content, or I would, you know, create content to pitch. And it's like, because all of that is shut down, I almost feel like I can't do anything, which is not good because I'm in a new city. I want to be grateful that I'm in a new space and I'm in a new city, but it's like a cloud that's over my head and in the back of my mind that like all the work that I want to get to, I can't get to because my Instagram is hacked, you know? So I'm working with Meta to see if they can speed up the process, but this like reviewing of my content is taking so long and I just want my Instagram back. I'm trying to be patient. I went to church on Sunday. That was really nice. And then I came home and I knocked out in my bed. I'm not typically a person who does like the after church naps, but something about being here, like when I get home, I just want to take a nap. I think one, because the services are longer here than what I'm used to. They're like 3 hours here as opposed to an hour and a half. And then also the sun hits my room so beautifully that when I get in from like it being cool outside and I feel the warmth on my body, like I just want to sleep. Let me show you how pretty the sun hits because I think it's hitting nice right now too. Look how beautiful the sun hits my room. Like when I get in, I literally just go in this little corner right here and then I just lay out and I just want to knock out because it just feels so good. And that's like with it not even shining that much. It be shining real bright. But yeah, this is my little section right here when I come home from church. But yeah, after I have this protein shake, I'm hoping to get in the shower and then just like record the last bit of that video that I need to submit. And then work on my birthday plans because my birthday is next week and I'm going back home and like I have nothing solidified and my cousins are coming down. So I really need to hone in on plans. It's just between moving, my Instagram hack, my birthday, like everything is happening at the same time. And I didn't anticipate any of this. So I'm trying to work with, you know, work with my circumstance and learning how to pivot. I feel like that's something that's been very important for me to learn this year, especially. Whenever I'm in a situation that I don't expect, I tend to get frustrated as opposed to just like pivoting quickly. Like, I know how to adapt well, but it takes me a minute to adapt and to pivot. So I'm trying to learn how to pivot quicker so that I can get adjusted to whatever life throws at me. And this is a situation that is teaching me that, even though it's like a very dire situation. I'm just learning how to, you know, roll with the punches in a new city under extreme circumstances. But I will say I've made some progress because I have a couch coming in on Thursday, which I'm really, really happy about, because I've really just been wanting a couch so that my house isn't as echoey and so that I really could just like enjoy lounging in my living room. I feel like right now I'm just always either at the island or in my bedroom. Having like the big pieces makes you feel like you're getting somewhere when you have a new apartment. And also it will allow me to move some of the stuff that I have in my living room. I also ordered another shelf for my outdoor closet and then 2 shelves for my pack system inside my closet. So what I'm praying is all these boxes that are here I can put away, because I feel like I have a little bit more things than I do storage. So I'm trying to optimize my storage space so that I can get rid of all of this before my couch comes on Thursday, which is gonna be really exciting. I'll show you my couch in the next vlog so you can see like how cute it is and stuff. But yeah, and then I can have my couch here and then I can begin, you know, decorating the walls and just piecing together the living room. And then I'll be able to watch my TV and all of that jazz, because right now I'm really just using my TV for music. I don't watch a lot of TV anyways, but you know, just in case I want to watch like a Netflix show, I don't have to be in my bedroom watching it on the iPad. I purchased this TV, so it's like, you know, let's make some use of it. That's what's been going on. I know this vlog was a little less chatty compared to the other ones, but you know, I'm trying to be more consistent and show up daily, and so not every vlog will be super long, but my hope is that, you know, you can join me in the process of moving to this new city, and then eventually I'll be exploring the city. But moving is just, oh my God, there's so many different parts. It really is a lot, between like trying to get your space together to also trying to balance whatever it is already going on in your life between work and like family and events, and then also trying to explore the city outside of your place. Many things, but stay with me. We'll be, you know, exploring all of those parts together. I'm praying there's better news this week. I feel like I said that on the last vlog, but you know, I'm just trying to stay hopeful and positive that I'm gonna get my Instagram account back. In the meantime, please follow me on TikTok and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next